Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add GIF to product page on Shopify. So first things first, go to product and then select your product. And once you selected your preferred product, go ahead and go on another page and search on giphy.com, giphy.com. And here you can use the search bar to search your preferred GIF. And once you chosen your GIF, click on it and click on embed. Then copy the code. And once you copy the code, go ahead and go back to Shopify. And here at the description box, go ahead and click on this show HTML. And then copy the code here and click again that show HTML. And there you go. You have GIF on your description. Make sure to save it, and there you go. If this video was helpful, go ahead and click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.